for a second. Marcus, the other way.
Are you ready to see the wonders of Russia, my friend?
Yes, I am.
Soon I will see you in the finish line. Race, instead I say goodbye. As good and so am I. Get ready for a whole new Russian racer. Get ready for a whole new me. I will leave you in a cloud of my exhaust. Instead I say, до свидания.
When you don't get succeed, try again.
Oh,